Android customization is now at its peak, and changing the icons is one of the easiest way to give your home screen a new makeover. Now there are tons of icon packs releasing every week, and there are tons of options when it comes to icon packs on the Play Store. Since it isn't very practical for you to try them all, that's why every month we try some newly released icon packs, and this month we have shortlisted 5 of the best ones that would make your Android home screen setup a lot cooler. And as always, you can download all these icon packs from our website. Links will be in the description down below. Excited? So let's get started. Kicking off the list with Duo Icon Pack, which comes with 2400 plus shapeless icons for almost every category you can think of. This best icon pack has icons for productivity apps, Google apps, folder icons, dynamic icons, etc. The icons have a dual tone finish with thicker borders that are compatible with both dark and light wallpapers. You also get a colorful set of 30 plus cloud-based wallpaper, and the option to request an icon is not present in this app. This icon pack receives frequent additions to the icon library and maintains the shapeless theme. Next up we have Comics Icon Pack, which comes with eye-catching 3D comic themed icons that add vibrance to your home screen setup. It is designed to appear bold and striking, and users that love minimalistic theme should avoid this icon pack. All the icons in this collection uses a dark halftone effect with quirky shades of pastel color schemes. Comic icon packs come with 2100 plus unique icons for different categories and assures for future icon addition as well. It also bundles with 24 matching wallpapers with the icon pack and lets you mix and match your best wallpaper and icons. It also supports auto icon masking and has multiple alternative icons for each category. Next up we have Argon Icon Pack, which uses a blend of 4 color to create bold icons that looks good on solid color background. It also supplies matching wallpapers for icon pack that amplify the appearance of the icon. Its icon library is huge and comes with 3400 plus matching high resolution icons and support for cloud-based wallpapers. A few icons are intentionally kept in a single color, but they will soon be upgraded to multicolor theme. Having such a vast icon library means you get access to numerous alternative icons that can be used as per your wallpaper. The icon pack auto masks the missing icons and match the overall theme of the icon pack. It also supports all major launcher and is a decent upgrade from your stock Android icons. Line On Icon Pack is a new avatar of popular Line X icon pack. It retains the overall design but switches the color profile to neon, which makes it perfect for pitch black wallpapers. Needless to say that this icon pack appears best on the AMOLED displays. All the icons are new and subtly convey the app they are designed for. This icon pack offers 4800 plus icons with an overwhelming amount of alternatives for each app. Despite such a huge library, the icon pack had received icons addition, bringing the total to 5000. It also has a matching wallpaper collection that prevents you from searching for the best wallpapers. Other necessary features like icon masking and icon request features are present in this icon pack. So the last icon pack on our list is Taco, which is a beautiful creation that comes with high quality icons that appears lifelike due to the shadow depth effect. As the name implies, the Taco icon pack dominates with dark wallpapers and themes and looks striking due to vivid color usage. This icon pack contains 3500 plus high definition icons with 256 by 256 resolution, which ensures you won't see any tearing even on a large display such as tablets. Other necessary features like icon masking and dynamic calendar support are also available. You also have the option to choose alternative icons for any application, which are in abundance on this icon pack. The icon pack also brings 66 plus matching HD wallpapers that brings out the beauty of Taco icon pack. So guys, these are some of the best icon packs for this month. So which of the previously mentioned icon pack you like the most? Do you know of any other icon pack that we should have added to this list? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.